Hi everyone, my name is Justin Simmons with DKC Realty Group. I want to talk to you today about the 5 reasons you need to get a pre-approval if you're looking to buy a home in 2020. Okay, so before we get into the reasons, let's define the term pre-approval. Pre-approval simply means that a lender has verified your finances, that's income, credit, debt, and assets, to determine how much money you can borrow, what your interest rate would be, and what your monthly payments would look like. Okay, so for our first reason, which I kind of already gave away, you want to know what the costs are for getting a mortgage. Key reason to get pre-approved. How much am I going to be paying monthly? Does it fit into my budget? Right? How long am I going to be paying this debt back for? Those are all important questions for you as an owner/purchaser. So you want to make sure that you understand that going in ahead of time. Now, pre-approval is not going to give you an exact 100% accurate breakdown of what your cost will be. That's going to depend on the specific property that you buy, its taxes, homeowners insurance, and a number of other factors. But it gives you a pretty clear estimate of what your cost should be depending on how much you wind up paying. Okay? Second reason to get a pre-approval, right, is you want to find out what potential issues could be blocking you from getting a mortgage. When a lender has a chance to actually sit down and verify your information, they can let you know if there's any credit issues that would raise your interest rate or prevent you from getting a mortgage, any debt to income ratio issues that you may be having, a lack of assets, and a host of other factors. You want to make sure that you're eligible for a mortgage and you can get the amount that you need to buy the home that you want in the area that you're looking into. 3, getting a pre-approval lets you search for homes with confidence. Because you know what your price points are, it's easy for you to filter out properties that don't fit into it. Okay? So one of the easy examples people use is, let's say you're looking for a single family home in north section of the Bronx. You got a pre-approval for $500,000. You see a home for $700,000. That's the asking price. Those two things are very far apart. Unless your agent is telling you that there's some reason that home value is wildly overinflated, it might not be worth your time looking into, right? So you can put that property to the side. Number 4 is being competitive. So you're looking for homes. You found homes that you're interested in. You want to make offers on them. These are all great, but you want to make sure that what you're putting on paper is backed up by proof. It's not enough to tell a seller or a seller's agent that you want to pay $550,000 for that beautiful home you saw if you can't provide any evidence that you're able to pay what you say. Otherwise, it's just hearsay. When I'm working for my clients that are sellers, I let them know, hey, let's vet all the offers that we receive. And when we get verbal offers with no proof of funds, no pre-approval, you might want to consider putting those on the back burner. You're taking a large risk if you try to move forward with that deal, because you just don't know if the person can actually afford the home at the price they're looking to pay. So a pre-approval gives people confidence that you're able to pay what you say. Number 5, this is a simple reason. When you get that accepted offer, you're able to move forward quickly. The bank has documents already in place because you got pre-approved. You don't have to go rush to get your pay stubs and tax returns and submit it to the loan officer as soon as possible to make sure they can move forward with your deal before the contract comes out. They already have it, right? And not every loan officer can turn around a pre-approval in a day or two. It might take them a little longer. So you want to make sure they have everything they need already so you're able to move forward with your deal as quickly as possible. So thank you all so much for joining me for this video. If you like it, please give me a like. I always appreciate that. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. And if you want more information, more videos, I will be sharing them consistently throughout the year. Consistency is key. Please feel free to subscribe. You'll see the little button in the right-hand bottom corner of the video. So you can click that button to subscribe, stay up to date on what's happening and the latest real estate information in the market. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.